Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can set app lock in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. To set an app lock, first friends you have to go to your security app. Then friends you have to go to this, just skip this, and friends you will see here it is, you have to scroll down and here it is app lock. Just tap on the app lock, click on turn on. At least you have to connect 4 dots. Again you have to click on next, and you can just sign in to your Xiaomi account. If you just uh, forgot your password, so by this sign in you can uh, reset your password. So I am just clicking on not now for a second. You can just click on it to make it. Then you have to just select the app you want to just put the password, and here I am putting the password on WhatsApp app. Then here it is, WhatsApp is showing. Click on WhatsApp, it is asking for the password to unlock it. Like this you can. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.